we buy the dealership. Niggas sleeping on you till you kill a rich. Check out my demeanor, bitch. Niggas thought the king had fallen off. Believe this shit. We don't follow nothing, we the leadership. Black Wall Street. Money moving through this crypto, we just reel it in. Stacking up the millions. Something like Sicilians. Multiply the profits.
Welcome to the Maryland for Crypto Show. I got my guy LJ in the building, my guy Money Meech. We're bringing it to you live and direct every Tuesday from Studio 202, and we showing you everything there is to know about crypto, because crypto is a new hustle in 2021.
Y'all let your boy Philly Freezer holding it down with Maryland for crypto. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all want to get your money right. Fuck with it.
All day. Much love.
Crypto, man. Doing this thing officially.
We in the building, y'all. Swag in the house.
Yes, sir. That's what we do. We go in. Maryland for Crypto Show. It's your boy Sean Prince in the building. Thank you once again for tuning in. You know, we out here, man. You know, Maryland for Crypto Show, we're bringing you everything you need to know to attain those gains, man. Because the market is ready. It's volatile, but it's ready for you to grow. So come grow with us, man. I'm your boy Sean Prince once again. I got my guy Double M in the building, Money Meech.
What it do?
We got Dread City in the building. You already know what it is, man. Let's get it. We out here, man. We out here. So, you know, just to let's jump right into it, man. Last week we had an action-packed episode. It was not, you know, we kind of just touched base on XRP, on Vechain. You know, it's definitely a great episode. You need to, you know, jump on and see what type of information we dropped. Very informative. Yeah, you know, we always gotta show love to the last episode, man. Y'all go check that out. We on YouTube, you know, Facebook, all that, things of that nature.
Instagram, Twitter.
So, yeah, let's jump right into it, man. Some hot coins, some hot topics, current events. What's happening in the crypto space right now, fellas?
I mean, still Coinbase. That IPO is still hot.
Crazy.
Granted,
Coinbase
dropped,
IPO.
It's settled right now. I think it's around like $325 right now, just lingering and hanging around there. But that's still something big. It's still hot in the market right now. Coinbase has went public.
Yes, cryptocurrency is live.
Crypto is live.
We are out here, man. We out here breaking through barriers, breaking through chains.
That's always gonna be big.
That's how we got to do it, man. You know, just to keep it rolling, you know.
I got some more.
Oh, you got some more? Let's keep it going. Yeah. I was gonna drop something on. You know, Money Meets. What's good? What we got?
Man, I'm just looking at the market, man. You know, the market is hella bloody right now.
Oh yeah. Sea of reds.
You know,
but you know what that means when it's red.
I mean, everything on sale.
That means your future is on sale.
Red light special.
Yeah. It's all good, man. But yeah, when it's you know, we here at Maryland for Crypto, we always preach that when the market is red, that's when you need to accumulate your gains.
Right.
That's when you need to stack up on all the cryptocurrencies, because pretty much your future's on sale. Right. And that's what it is. You know, Cardano, just to keep it rolling, Cardano, they are on a hiring spree right now as they prepare to take the smart contracts throne from Ethereum, people.
Yeah.
I mean, listen, Cardano is on the verge of disrupting the smart contract and NFT market, with its network costing just a mere fraction of the charges of the larger Ethereum network. Data reveals that Cardano has overtaken Ethereum and Polkadot in average daily development activity on GitHub, spurring even more hires to stay in the lead of the market right now.
Cardano is doing big things, man.
Absolutely.
Even though right now they're down, the price is like what, 116. But listen, all I'm trying to tell you, that's on sale. Buy up. Cardano is building in Africa.
Yes, sir.
Y'all understand what I mean?
The largest continent in the world.
Oh, yeah. In the world, folks.
In the world.
So Africa is going to be the next China.
And Africa is a leapfrog continent.
It's a leapfrog continent. So that means when this technology comes, they're just going to be on it like this.
Yes, sir.
Just like they didn't, if you really look back, they didn't have a lot of landlines in Africa back.
They did
but all of
not.
a sudden they had cell phones. Everybody,
just like that.
I got a cell phone. iPhones, everything. But they had cell phones automatically.
That's what's going to happen with this technology. The adoption is going to happen, and we're going to integrate it with everything we use, and we're not even going to realize that we're doing it.
Right.
It's just going to be integrated, and the world is going to be ran off a blockchain. And to us, it's going to seem like we're still doing the same thing we were doing before, not realizing that everything is faster, everything is smarter, and everything is built off an algorithm.
Right.
So
yes, sir. I mean, again, just to because Cardano is definitely daring true to me. It's an exciting time for Cardano. I love me some Cardano, man. I love Ethereum. I got Cardano, man.
Ethereum. Yeah, we know you love Ethereum.
I love me some Ether,
all
man.
times high today.
Yes, sir. 2560. 22.
No, actually, it broke 26 today. I think
it broke 2600.
It hit 26
wow.
today.
Wow.
It hit 26 today.
I mean, that's big, man. Ethereum's market is definitely growing and it's extremely large, and it is the top altcoin in the market, I believe. No question.
2638. $2,638.
It hit that today.
$2,638. And just to put that in perspective, man, this just to compare it to another transaction giant in the industry, PayPal settled $936 billion in payments last year.
Right.
Ethereum settled 1.5 trillion in transactions just last quarter.
Last quarter?
Quarter. Ooh. I mean, I gotta drop some.
Ooh, that's 3 months. That's 4 months.
I gotta drop some glass. They breaking through the game right now, man. Ether, check it. I mess with your soul like Ether, man. Like I love me some Ether, man. And this figure is also growing exponentially. PayPal's market is at $310 billion right now, and Ethereum's market cap is at $296 billion. Just to keep that going, like I think when the bull cycle is over, maybe roughly 5 to 8 months from now, Ethereum's going to top off at 10,000.
So wait, hold on. You think you calling the bull run 5? What's that?
5 to 8 months.
Oh,
I think 5 to 8 months, the bull run will be heading into a bear market.
So that's like September.
That's Sean
October?
Prince's prediction.
That's your prediction.
That's Sean Prince's prediction.
I just had to catch you because I know somebody on there like he thinks 5 to 8 months. I'm gonna start calculating my ex's prejudice.
I had to put it out there, man, because the charts kind of indicate that from the last bull run. That's when things started to taper off. So going off of existing history, that's kind of where I see it right now. Okay. But I definitely think Ethereum's going to grow through this bull run anywhere between $10,000 to $17,000 easily.
Yeah, Ethereum's going to grow because the government is backing it, people. They have what they call LIBOR, which I don't want to get too deep in that, but if you know, go check it out, go Google it. That money, which is trillions of dollars, will be slowly flowing into Ethereum, slowly but surely.
Absolutely.
Right? So just go check that out. Just know I said that.
Yes, so sir. Ethereum we said it right here first on the Maryland for Crypto show.
Ethereum will be $10,000 plus by the end of the year.
You think the retracement will? No,
I mean there's gonna be retracements.
Okay,
I'm just saying after all the retracements going down, we're gonna go up, we're gonna go down, but by the end of the year, I think going into November, December, we're gonna see a crazy spike. To if Ethereum's at about 7,000, 6,000 hanging around there, I got it shooting going into December, and I actually got us going into the first part of 22, and if that's the case, I got Ethereum really shooting up to, like I said, over 10,000.
But yeah, I mean, it's definitely going to shoot somewhere. That's like one thing people got to really understand. Like, everybody is, cheering and celebrating these gains that we've had from the end of the first quarter, and it's like you got to realize, like, dog, it's the end of the first quarter. We still got a whole year to go.
Right.
Absolutely. So like second quarter just began.
Yeah, it's just beginning. So like people are seeing parabolic gains or these massive numbers in their bank account or in their crypto exchanges.
The most money they've ever made in their life in the first quarter.
And it's not and it's just the beginning. So like literally this is just the beginning. Like there's big things coming for the rest of the year.
People in our group are clearing 100K. In our group, Maryland for Crypto, are clearing 100K. And once again, this is only the 4th month of the year. Mm-hmm. So what do you think is going to happen by December? Mm-hmm. I mean, and that's just a handful of our people in our group.
I was about to say, I know what's going to happen.
Yo, listen.
What's all I know, happen, Money listen, Beast? Tell the people, Double M, what's about to happen?
To the moon. To the moon. To the moon.
But all I'm trying to say, if you're in Maryland for Crypto and if you're in our group, listen, this is not a guarantee, but all I'm trying to say, we're not advisors, but financial advisors, but we're crypto teachers, and we're teaching this group how to make money, crypto money. And I'm trying to tell you, these people in our group are making the most money that they've made ever. Like just doing nothing. Easy money, just investing in the right
understanding utility
coins, the utility coins, fundamentals. Fundamentals. We're giving you that.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna put it to y'all like this, man.
Just mess with us.
I'm gonna make an egregious statement right now. I feel like if you can't afford one Bitcoin, then you need Maryland for Crypto's Patreon group. because we will put you on the path to be able to afford a Bitcoin
of wealth.
That's a big statement right there. My man said, hold on, let me just repeat what you said.
Repeat one more time.
He said, if you can't afford one Bitcoin,
ooh, that's a lot of people.
Then you need to be. That's me. Yeah. Me too. That's me.
Money me.
No, actually, that's not me because I can afford a Bitcoin, but I don't pay for it. I'm not buying one.
Affording and buying are two different things. I'm just saying if you don't have the capital in your portfolio right now.
They say don't buy nothing if you can't buy it twice.
There it is.
So
money.
Oh, would you try to test my portfolio? Hey, I can buy it twice. The portfolio, my shit's fine.
Look, there you go. You get the geeking again.
They call them money leaks for a reason.
No, he trying to pull my card. The boy,
for a reason, man.
Man, twice. You know the portfolio.
Hey, but nah, though. Look, man, I'm just nah. Like we.
I just don't want it.
We chasing big numbers, man.
Absolutely.
And I'm gonna be honest. Like coming from somebody like me. First of all, I'm somebody that I never even used to look like 5 years into the future. I never used to look like I used to live day by day. I used to worry about surviving. How am I survive today? How am I going to get through today? That's what I used to. That was my mindset. And now everything for me is just slowly shifting over into where can I be in 5 years instead of where can I be at the end of the day. No, where can I be in 5 years? Where do I want to be? And when you do your research and you start to pay attention to these numbers, and you make it make sense to yourself, you realize that you are not far away from reaching your goals. You're like I'm not far away from reaching my goals. I feel like I can truly obtain. I can see $1 million more clear than I've ever been able to see it in my entire life.
That's powerful money. Right.
Besides for when I thought I was going to the NFL.
That's powerful.
You know, So,
hey man, we all had them NFL dreams, man. It happens.
Right. I thought I had league dreams. You know, everybody. Yeah. You know, them urban communities.
Yeah.
We dream of going to the league or being a rapper. Like that's how we got to make it somehow, some way. I got to be an entertainer. I got to be an entertainer.
Now we got millionaire dreams.
We've been in the wrong hustle this whole time. The whole time. I'm telling you.
At the end of the day,
we got financial dreams now.
You gotta play the game, man. Life is a game, like LJ said. Either you playing checkers or you playing chess.
And right now, we playing chess.
We playing chess, man.
We thinking like 7 moves ahead.
Straight up, man. It's just like like I said, life is like a game. It's like imagine playing Monopoly and never buying anything that could produce more money. Just collecting your $200 for pass and go every week. That's what majority of the society. That's how they live.
That's a good way to look at it, right there.
You know what I mean?
Because I just thought about that. Like if I'm not buying no properties, if I'm not adding on anything, and I'm just collecting my $200 every time I pass go, I am 100% going to lose the game.
Absolutely,
straight up.
You gotta invest. You gotta take risks.
Right.
Take money to make money, man. And right here in the Melon for Crypto Show, that's what we're trying to do.
Big reward. Just remember that. Big risk, big reward, all right?
Yeah.
When the market is safe, that's when everybody wants to come in, right? And guess what? Those gains are going to be small because it's safe. Yeah, the banks, hey, it's safe. Come on. Bring your money. We got you.
Absolutely.
But when it's scary, that's when the gains are made, folks. Right now, when there's a SEC lawsuit right now on Ripple, that's when you should be buying because guess what? Every other coin in this market has hit or went over their all-time high. But guess what? Ripple's still down here hanging out. We're in a lawsuit. But guess what? That's when you should be piling your money because right now everybody's scared. They're scared right now. So now we're going to stay away from it. Guess what LJ's doing though?
Dumping in the bag.
I'm dumping all that money in XRP, XLM, these low coins that haven't popped yet. And that's where you make your money at, all right? That's how you play the game.
That's how you do it, man. That's
buy low, sell high. All right. Do the fundamentals. Do your research. Find out the coins that have not hit their all time yet, and invest in them
for real.
If they got utility, invest.
I can't wait till we get into this FOMO segment.
Right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So what about the current state of the market, man? Like we said, the market did a bit of a crash over the weekend, man. We had a big dip.
I mean, it was a couple things going. Big dip in the market.
I mean, shoot, the market cap is down. It's back down under 2 trillion. I mean, we sitting at 1.9 trillion right now. Like you said, everything is down. Everything is red. Like you got Bitcoin down 6% on the 24 hour.
Okay.
You got XRP down 11%, Cardano's down 6%. Dogecoin is down 13%, but it's still hanging in there, sitting at 26 cents. Polkadot.
Polkadot. I mean, that's my guy, Money Meeches. That's my guy's coin right there, man.
Yeah, Polkadot. I hope that Polkadot falls even farther down.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna give the folks one. I'm gonna give the folks something. All right. This is just how you can tell when the market's down. All right, I'm gonna throw this gem out there.
Okay, talk to him.
And you know what I'm saying? And this is Maryland for crypto. Like, we put this in our Patreon, right? Your indicators, all right? You gotta watch your stable coins, all right?
Yep.
Your stable coins will tell you what's going on with the market, all right? And this is just a quick way. If you can't read charts, all right, read your stable coins, all right? Yep. When your stable coins are over $1, all right, that means the market's pretty much going down, all right? Yep. That means people are they're taking their gains and they're putting it in stable coins. All right.
Yep.
But guess what? When that stable coin is 99 cents, or maybe it might hit 90. If it's 98 cents, oh my gosh, that means the market is jumping. That means for real. So that's an indicator, folks. And once again, we teach this in our Patreon group. We put this in there. But once again, that's just a quick way. If you can't read charts, if you can't do the Fibonacci, if you can't do that retracement stuff, it's all good. But a quick way to do it, you know what I mean? It's like counting on your fingers back in the day, like, do your math problem your parents used to teach you. You know what I mean? This is how you're doing it. All right. You look at the charts. You see that's right now. If you're looking, everything's red. But guess what? That USD stable coin is green. It's up. That percentage is up. Go look at the chart right now. It's live. Go look at it right now. If you're looking at Coinbase, if you're looking at those stable coins are all green right now, because and the rest of everything else is red. Right? That's how you know. All right. Once again, we just do that gem out to you.
Straight up. Right? And for those that don't know,
crypto, if you need, follow us. We know what we're talking about. All right.
And for those that don't know, a stablecoin is basically a new class of cryptocurrencies that attempts to offer price stability, and they're backed by reserve assets such as land, precious metals, real estate, things of that nature. Stablecoins, they've also gained traction as they attempt to offer the best of both worlds and the instant processing and security of privacy of payments of cryptocurrencies and the volatility-free stable valuations of fiat currencies.
Right.
Like my guy said, stablecoins, they stay stagnant.
Yep. For those who y'all really don't understand what stable coins is, don't worry. We're gonna have an episode coming for you real soon.
Yep.
Stable coins and exit plans.
Stable your life. That's what we're gonna call that.
Stable coins and exit plans. Like Money Meets. I gotta give Money Meets a round of applause on that, man. Stable coins and exit plans. Yeah. Straight up, man.
Stable coins and exit plans.
Straight up, man.
For real, man. To you soon. It's levels.
Because you gotta have an exit plan, man. Like it's definitely levels. Because at the end of the day, the bull market is not gonna last forever
at all. So what are you gonna do with your wallet?
What are you gonna do?
What's in your wallet?
We giving people knowledge. We giving people gems, but you have to have a plan.
Right.
Like, don't just jump into this game with no plan at all. You're gonna fall on your face.
Right.
Absolutely.
Have a plan. Yeah. Get with us. Maryland for crypto.
Maryland for crypto. And just like that, you know, we got plans and we giving y'all the plans and we giving the people answers when they need answers. So we got a couple Q&As from some of our group members, some people that reach out to Maryland for crypto.
I thought we was gonna wait. I thought we was gonna do that the last. You want to do it now? Yeah, we do it. I mean, we can do it right now.
We got a couple questions.
Let's get them in the mix.
I mean, we can do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. So again, you know, we got a couple questions, you know, inquiries to that nature of, you know, what's happening in the crypto space. And, you know, we always try to provide, you know, valid information for all our followers because that's why we're here, to spread the wealth, to spread the knowledge. What we got, fellas? Let's get the people some answers to some of their questions.
I got you. This one came from one of the people in our Facebook groups.
Okay, shout out to the Maryland for Crypto Facebook group. Y'all definitely go join that.
Yeah.
Everybody that's listening.
Sucker free 2 times.
Straight up.
He wanted to know, why are there so many crypto exchanges?
I mean,
why are there so many
crypto exchanges?
Could dive into that a little bit. Now, you know, I wouldn't definitely say I have a definitive answer, but from what I've noticed, you know, there's a lot of currencies that aren't available to you depending on what region you're in. So there's several different currencies that kind of can compensate for that shortcoming. So you can buy certain things on Voyager, you can buy certain things on Binance, certain things on Uphold, certain things on BitTrue. These are all exchanges we verify and we advocate for here on the Maryland for Crypto show. So yeah, definitely. I think there's a range of exchanges because there's over 8,000 currencies all over the world.
Right.
So it's like, you got to, there's no way one platform will be able to have every single currency. A lot of them are duds
and
too,
and guess what? You wouldn't want one platform to have that. First of all, that's a monopoly. So
yeah, absolutely.
If I'm trying to get into the game, let's say I want to be a business owner and open my own exchange, it's a monopoly. So we definitely don't want that. And then that next thing is, at the end of the day, like I said, these exchanges have different coins. They have different purposes. Like they're in different countries. So if I'm in America and I want a coin that's in Singapore, you know what I mean? I want to go and download that exchange,
right?
Because that's what the United States has. They have a lot of these countries and these exchanges have firewalls too, ladies and gentlemen. So if I'm in the United States, I might not be able to access the coin that I want from my exchange because my firewall or the United States doesn't let me get to that country. So that's what I'm gonna download that exchange. Boop, boop. Download,
Yeah,
and there you go. Download that coin.
Nah, for real.
You feel me? So there's ways that you want to go.
There was another person in our not Patreon, but in our Facebook group that was like, wondering. I think he had like one exchange, and he was like, "Oh, should I get more or should I do this?" Like one thing we also need to understand is that when we have these volatile moments or massive gain moments, right? We're not the only ones in the game.
Right.
There are millions of people who are playing the same game. And so if we're making all these gains, guess what? Somebody else is making just as much gains, if not more.
Or more.
You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, everybody is trying to access their money.
Right.
Access their money. They're trying to pull it out. So if 10 million people are all on one exchange trying to make a transaction to make sure that they don't miss the opportunity of pulling out their $10,000,
right.
Guess what happens? Exchanges crash.
Right.
Traffic jam.
Right. Nice and easy. We're having unexpected bugs right now, and we'll get back to you later. Now you can't do nothing,
and you hurt.
But if you have multiple exchanges,
give them a solution.
Right, that's a problem.
Answer.
Just like America, they give you a problem. They create a problem.
Right.
America creates a problem, then they already have the solution. Right. But we're not gonna get into that.
That's another.
Right. But anyways, you have that problem where you have that traffic jam and your whole exchange closes down. Okay, well now you have multiple exchanges. I have 10 different exchanges. Let me try another one.
Right.
Okay, that one don't work. Oh shoot, let me try another one.
Right.
Let me try another one. I have multiple exchanges, so I can take my crypto and I can send it to any one of these exchanges that I have created accounts from, and I can cash out.
Right. And
I'm gonna do it in a strategic way, but I'm not gonna get into all of that right now.
That's another show.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
give it all.
Yeah,
but
me.
And real fast, just to build on to that too, right? Like you said, when you talking about sending your money to different accounts, because once you get deep into this and once you go down that crypto rabbit hole, ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna eventually get a ledger. All right. And when you have your ledger, that means you actually become your own bank finally. Because when your crypto is on these exchanges, talk to them. When these cryptos are on exchanges, you actually don't own your own crypto. All right. Yeah, you buy it on the exchange and it sits there. But once again, if Coinbase goes down, do you have access to it? Nope. If Binance US goes down, do you have access to it?
Nope.
If BitTrue go down, you have access to it?
No, sir.
And last one, if Uphold go down, you got no, right? But if I got my ledger, my own crypto, I own it. Guess what? If Binance go down, if BitTrue go down, I can send it somewhere else because I'm my own bank. And guess what? Also, being your own bank, when you actually have to send money to somebody, right? I don't have to go to the bank because once you send over $10,000, you gotta go get a wire or even big money. You got, what I mean?
Right.
But guess what? If I want to send Sean or Meech $20,000, I don't need to answer to nobody.
Facts.
I just go like this. How much I owe you, Meech? 20? Oh, geez, 20. We lost that bet. You know what? Boop, boop, boom. There it goes.
Yep.
And it's like that. I don't answer them because I'm my own bank. That's what happens with crypto.
And that is what you call decentralized finance.
Decentralized.
DeFi.
Straight up,
if
man.
you
Right.
will.
I mean, at the end of the day,
that's what's changing crypto.
Most people
Facts.
work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week.
Right.
But your assets, they work for you 24/7. Round the clock in the crypto space.
Hold up, just one. I know we about to go to a commercial real soon. I know we are, but
okay.
I just
That was
just
a
real,
segue? You
just-
felt it?
yeah, I felt it. I did. I had to cut him off though because me and my homeboy,
We staying live right now.
we was just having this conversation. I don't know too many people that work a regular 9 to 5 that are millionaires.
Right.
No, sir.
Because you can't be.
I don't.
sir.
You can't be.
It's You know,
be a millionaire, you got to go off the track.
You do. You have to.
You can't go down that. I got born. I went to school. I went to college. I've gotten a 9 to 5. Now I got the wife, and I got the 2 kids in the house. That's not gonna work because you're on. They bred you that, and they you never will break out of that system.
Right.
But millionaires and billionaires, they make their own path. Like, you know, they're in the basement making their own joint.
Yep.
They starting a show.
Yep.
They starting a group. They out here building something.
Yep.
That's how you become a millionaire. They take the risk. You feel me?
And that's not
to go get it.
And that's not to take nothing away from anybody who has an amazing job.
Right.
Because there are some amazing jobs out there. There are people out there making 6 figures off of their job with benefits.
Right.
And there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah. But I must tell you right now, you are the person who could truly make a difference in this world if you just open and expand your mind a little bit more. Stop living in that controlled mindset.
Right.
You already have a great job. We understand that. We get you. You're secure.
Right.
We understand that. We get you. Okay, if you're so secure, why can't you take a few dollars and just invest it into a future?
Right.
Into your future.
Right.
Absolutely.
Just a few dollars.
If you're that
like you
secure.
have it. You're making $100K a year.
Right. It's nothing to take a couple hundred or even a couple thousand.
Right.
Like, I got 2,000.
Just like it's nothing for you to go on vacation this week, it should be nothing for you to just make a small investment. You can make a large investment, and you can see your money come back tenfold.
Because we're average Joes. We're doing this off a couple $150 a week, $100 a week, whatever I hustle up that week. I don't know. If I hustle 500 that week, hey, I did something big. I'm gonna drop it. But we're making this is small change. I didn't say thousands. I said hundreds. But there's people doing 5,000 a week, 10,000 a week, 20,000
a week, 50,000 a week. You look on Fiat Leak.
Right.
When you look on Fiat Leak, you can see all the transactions that are being made and all the money that's being dumped into the cryptocurrency space in real time. And you see $10,000 transactions, 90,000 transactions, 100,000 transactions.
Is that a joke?
It's people who got that bread, and it's like they see the significance in making investments, and so they make them. And their 90,000 that they put in turns into 500K instead of my $90 turning into $500. Does that make sense?
Right.
We still have the same gains. The only difference is big money is playing with big money, and we playing with smaller money.
Right.
So. And obviously, if we keep on playing with that small money, look, you said it once. Big money, small money can do whatever big money can do. We're just doing it at a smaller scale.
Right.
But guess what? If we continue to do what big money does, our money will eventually grow bigger, like theirs.
Because we're stacking our pennies next to their dollars, folks.
Yeah, that's what it was.
But the thing
stacking our pennies next to their dollars.
When their dollars become hundreds of dollars, our pennies become dollars. And then when their dollars become millions, our dollars become thousands. And hey, we're gonna keep walking it up slowly but surely, baby. But we found the key. We know the path to go down to. We're trying to help y'all now.
Facts.
Exactly. I mean, that's what we got. I mean, that's what the Maryland for Crypto show is for. Right. We're here to bring the knowledge, the education, and at the end of the day, I just gotta let the people know the writing's on the wall, man.
Right.
The proof is in the pudding.
It's in our face.
It's either you get down or you lay down, man. And if what you know is all you know, then that's all you'll know. So you need to expand your mind. Facts. You need to get in this space. This is the Maryland for Crypto show. I'm your boy, Sean Prince. We're going to take a quick break. And when we come right back, we're about to give you some hot topics and everything else you need to know in the cryptocurrency space.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Welcome back to the Maryland for Crypto show. It's your boy, Sean Prince in the building. My guy, Money Meach in the building.
Yes,
LJ Dress City. You know how we do it, man. Let's jump right into it, people. It's been a interesting week in cryptocurrency. We've seen a major dip coming from the weekend. The market is looking very bearish right now, and there's a lot of altcoins that seem to pick up a lot of traction, a lot of steam, and people, once they hear the hype. Now, look, we hear the Maryland for Crypto show. We're going to say this every episode, every time we invest in utility. Do not invest in the hype. There are a lot of hype coins that are in the space right now that'll drag you in because XYZ, who's in a prominent space, or somebody that's looked at as an influencer, says that this coin or this project is going to do something, and it doesn't.
Jump.
You know what we call those? Pump and dumps.
Pump and dumps.
Pump and dumps. And there's a lot of
I swear.
there's a lot of pump and dumps in this space right now. So yeah, you definitely want to stay away from those and do not FOMO into a pump and dump.
Don't do that.
Hey guys, if you don't know what a FOMO is, fear of missing out.
Yes.
Fear of missing.
Running in.
Yeah, so let's talk about FOMOs real quick, man. Like I want to know, should you FOMO? Should you FOMO? Should you not FOMO? Like,
yes and no.
What's up with that?
Yes and no. So I mean, should you FOMO, or which one you want me to answer first?
I want you to answer. Should you FOMO?
Because
I want you to answer both of them.
It's a yes and no question. First of all, I'm gonna
answer the yes. So answer yes. Why should you FOMO?
If you don't have crypto, you should be FOMOing. You should be frothing at the mouth right now with these prices. You should be like, oh my God, XRP, I don't have none. I need it. Because XRP is going to change your life. These cryptos, not even XRP, these cryptos, period. All right, if you don't have none, and we're going to a new financial system, why are you not FOMOing in right now? You know the dollar is still staying $1 and it's declining. Right now, $1 is not 99 cents, it's 3 cents right now. Mm-hmm. So that means that $1 that you're holding is worth 93 cents. But these cryptos are going up in value. There's cryptos that I bought at 7 cents that now are $1.50. Guess what? I've 10, 15 times my gains. Hey, wake up. That's what we trying to do. We trying to wake you up. So if you don't have crypto, yes, you should be FOMOing in right now as we speak.
Okay.
And if you are gonna FOMO, you might as well FOMO into the be all end all coin, which is
XRP.
Gotta get the peso.
XRP.
Now why are we also taught to stay away from FOMOing?
All right.
Okay. Because there's levels to this.
There's levels to this now.
There's levels to this.
So why we should not FOMOing, all right? Because once again, first off, you got crypto and you have a position and you've been in, I would say if you've been in this market right now more than 3 months, that means you've been hit with a retracement. If you've been in since June,
it's part of the game.
Yeah, it's part of the game. So if you've been in since January, at least that's 4 months, the first quarter. If you've been in since January, you've been through at least 2 retracements right now. Mm-hmm. Crucial ones where people was texting me like, should I get out? I don't know about this crypto thing. Yes. No, you're not getting out. Because, you know what I mean?
You shouldn't get out.
You shouldn't get out. It's just a healthy retracement. People are selling. But once again, if you've been in this market long enough, we know, once again, people are selling. It's a healthy retracement. And guess what? We buy the dips. And we don't FOMO in. We don't jump in when we see XRP go from 50 cents to $1.80. We're not buying at $1.80. Now, if you don't have none, you might be trying to buy at $1.80. But if you've been in the game long enough, you know, like, oh, you're just gonna enjoy that gain. Mm-hmm. Like, oh, you're gonna look at your account like, oh, 1,000, oh, 1,000. But once it gets there, you're gonna be like, oh, I know it's gonna retrace. I'm gonna catch it on the retracement. Boom. And that's what it do. Now when it drops back down, the XRP right now is sitting at what? Like
$1.20-ish.
$1.20 something.
Yeah, in that range.
And that's when you clean up. And guess what? If let's say you have 5, I'm gonna give you an example of not FOMOing, but being smart about the money. All right. Once again, I'm just gonna use XRP because I love that coin. All right, so I'm gonna use it. XRP goes from once again 50 cents to $1.80, right? And within like a week. All right. Now, when it gets to $1.80, I'm like, oh man. At the end of the day, I might FOMO, but I know I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna enjoy the gains. Now, once it's stopped and settled, at the end of the day, I might. If I had $500, be like, I don't know what's gonna happen. Let me throw $100 at this right now and buy a little bit more. But once again, I know it's gonna retrace. But at the end of the day, I just want to grab some because hey, if it goes up, I just want to say I put a couple dollars in. But once again, if you're in this market long enough, you know the retracement is coming. And guess what? When it retraces down from 180 to like 145, guess what? I might put another $100 in. All right. When it retraces back down to 125, guess what? I might put $100 in and watch it settle and watch the market. Guess what? If I see it going down a little bit more, let's say it goes down to $1.05. Guess what? I might throw another 100 in. And what I'm doing, that's dollar cost averaging.
Dollar cost averaging. People.
And at the end of the day, I'm buying no matter what. I don't care what the price is, but I'm not FOMO. I didn't take my whole 500 and buy it all at the 182 price and then watch it collapse on me. And I'm like, oh, my 500 just went to 322. Nah.
You don't want that.
You don't want that because now your heart's jumping. You're like, that's when people are texting me, oh, Jay, I just paid 500. It just retraced on me. Nah, that's what you're not supposed to do that. Like I said, you dollar cost average. You buy a little bit, boom, you let it drop, buy a little bit more, see what the market do. If it start to go up, guess what? You still buy a little bit. But at the end of the day, you take your money, you be smart with it. All right. Now, once again, if you don't have no position at all, once again, you take that 500. I don't care what price you got. If it's 182, if you don't have no crypto, you buy it. That's absolutely. You don't have nothing.
Because at that point, any entry point is a good entry point. It's a good
entry point. So once again, that's another Maryland for Crypto gym, and that's a crypto gym. If you're in the crypto world, we already know that. But if you're in the group, definitely that's a gym for y'all.
Definitely, man. Because there's so many hype coins that have no utility, no premise to them. And we here at the Maryland for Crypto Show want to let you know that you do not want to FOMO into these hype coins, these meme coins, these hype coins. One of which did a major retracement here recently. And it's funny because the name has the word safe in it, meaning that you should feel good, you should feel confident. They felt safe, and they got wrecked. Because SafeMoon did a 60% retracement within an hour. 69%.
Don't try to give him something. 69%.
Retracement. That's what, and that retracement happened because one wallet got rid of 10 trillion SafeMoon coins.
Because he owned 50% of the market.
50% of the market.
And if he just pulls the rug out, guess what? Everybody else, if he owns 50% and the rest of y'all are struggling for that other 50%, if he pulls his rug, guess what? Crashing.
Yeah. And he cashed out $10 million
on y'all because y'all want to be jumping in SafeMoon.
Pumping them.
But guess what? I want y'all to understand. We heard
Ponzi scheme.
Yeah, Ponzi scheme. But in our group, people was asking, they was like, "Yo, should we do it?" And what we said, hey, at the end of the day, we advise you not to. But hey, each his own. Do what you do. But once again, we don't teach these pump and dump. We teach longevity,
long-term longevity.
Yeah, fundamental training. HODL.
We're HODL helpers.
Yeah, HODL coins that have utility.
We're HODL helpers.
SafeMoon is a speculative product.
I'm say it to my kids. I'm like, I'm a HODL helper.
HODL helper. I like it. I'm gonna have to.
I like that.
Give me something for that.
I like that.
Can I get a shot or something? Or explosion? Yeah. HODL helpers.
They don't even know.
Indubitably.
Hey, but nah, man. Like real talk. I haven't had too much time because I've been mad busy lately. But I tried to do like a little dive on SafeMoon.
Okay.
I was looking up.
You really tried to look it up?
I tried, but I couldn't find too much. And
that's the problem.
Like I knew I needed more time to either I needed more time to make sense to myself, or maybe that information is just not available. Right. But like literally, I was their CEO, the CEO of SafeMoon is John Caroni.
Okay.
I've been trying to find stuff on him. I haven't been able to.
That's a red flag.
Yeah, I looked at his Twitter account. It was just recently made in March this year. The coin actually was just made this year as well. I think it just recently ICO'd in March. So it's just a real something very new on the market. And once again,
it gained a lot of traction.
It did. It gained a whole lot of traction.
Because once it gets on Twitter and everybody's talking about it, and on Instagram, I mean, what's the other one?
Telegram?
No, TikTok.
Okay.
TikTok will move a market. It got on TikTok and it was like, blah, 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 SafeMoon. Everybody's like, go to SafeMoon.
Right.
Me personally, like just off of what I've seen from other projects, right? Because once again, we're in a cycle, right? 2017 was the last cycle.
Yep, absolutely.
There was a lot of new coins that was created during that cycle.
Absolutely.
Right? And now that we're in this next cycle in 2021, those same coins that were created are doing much better.
Right.
So I think that SafeMoon, make your investments now. You can't go wrong making investments now. I think that we'll see some moves from SafeMoon, like some big moves from SafeMoon in the next cycle. I don't think now is the time. And me personally, I as much as I don't do pump and dump schemes, I am one of those people who will follow a trend. And
trends are your friends.
Yeah, and SafeMoon is trending right now. And it just had that big
retrace. You should know better all people.
I do know better. Okay. Guess what? You want to know? I know so much better that I'm still gonna buy a little bag of it.
A SafeMoon?
A small bag. $50. If $50 can get me 1 million coins, why not?
People don't. That once again, play that again, boy. Yeah. Once again, I don't.
Hey, look, listen.
Do what you want.
Facts.
Hey, matter of fact, since he's doing this research and he understands this is a risk, then more power to them. There you go.
Yeah,
but
you heard what I said first. I'm gonna do my research, and I'm gonna do more research. I haven't even gotten it yet, but
because I mean, at the end of the day, you can't.
And I just want to make sure that people understand that
I'm gonna get me in
he's
there.
doing his research first, and he understands this is a risk.
And you can't really go against it. Because in the same token, Dogecoin has no premise, it has no utility, and Dogecoin has grown over 15,000% in the last year.
Well, first of all, Dogecoin is gonna grow. Well, if people don't really understand Dogecoin is first of all, Bitcoin, Litecoin is a spinoff of Bitcoin,
an altcoin.
Right? Yep, and then Dogecoin is a spinoff of Litecoin.
Okay,
all right,
okay,
which none of them really
levels. There's levels to that.
Like, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Really, none of them have real life utility.
Right.
All right. Once again, one's a meme coin. The other one, Litecoin. What is
transactions?
Yeah, transactions and payments. And
isn't it proof of work as well?
Once again, because they're spin off of Bitcoin.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then you have Bitcoin. So once again, these proof of work coins really don't have true utility. All right. But once again, when Bitcoin moves and some of the other markets move, all these altcoins are gonna move. So once again, but what you gotta understand and people are putting life savings into this though. Really understand, people, this is a pump and dump. Like, you should be putting, if you have life savings, you have more than 5,000 matter of fact, if you putting more than $1,000 in this, be careful. That's all I want to say. Because if you have more than $1,000, you should be investing in coins like Vechain, right? That have utility. XRP that have utility.
I agree with that.
XLM that have utility. You know what I mean? Tezos and Zilliqa and some of these other coins. Ethereum, even though it's $2,000, but if you got 1,000, buy half of it.
Facts.
And then if you got another 1,000, buy another half. These coins have utility.
I agree with that.
That you know is gonna be here after this so-called bubble, because it's gonna pop eventually. I mean, once again, there's 8,000 cryptos. All 8,000 will not make it into this fourth industrial revolution.
No, 1%.
1%. So
that's about 12 coins.
Nah, that's more.
It's about 100.
Yeah, but I'm gonna say, listen, out of 8,000, after the regulations and clarity comes out and government knows what is going on, there's probably gonna be about 200 to 300 coins that really survive. All right, and really have utility that's going to make a difference in this world. And granted, they're not all going to be in the United States, because once again, these are different exchanges, different worlds,
different regions, parts of the world.
Yeah, different coins need different things. Like Tezos is like an Italian coin. Like, you don't see too much talk about Tezos.
I love Tezos, man. Tezos, that residual income on Tezos is great.
Every day, every 2 days.
You know what I mean?
Like, look, I need that.
I love Tezos. God, get you some Tezos.
Yeah, Vechain is in Singapore. Like, once again, these coins have different regions. Like, they're big in China. And matter of fact, Vechain, I just want to get on that, since I'm talking about these coins. It's gonna, if you're not into Vechain right now, you're crazy. Because I just went and I just deep dived into the Belton Road Initiative.
Let's let the people know what it is, man.
All right, the Belton Road Initiative. All right, China. All right, they back in the day, they had this road that went through China and it went through Africa, and it came out through the other side. And now China right now is trying to be the one-stop shop for global trade. All right, so they're building the Belton Road Initiative, which will go through the whole China and Africa and the Arabian countries and all that. And this one-stop shop is set to be built for the next 47 years.
Wow.
All right, so for the next 47
years,
to me, right? Because I that's what we do. We do research. You know how to do. I jumped in because I really want to understand, because I saw something online and it said, you know what I mean, China has, you know what I mean, partnered up with Vechain, and that's their number one blockchain that they're using for this Belton Road Initiative. So once again, I'm telling you guys, go look into it, right? Vechain will be powering this Belton Road Initiative, meaning, and this road includes, like I said, open global trade. So there's a lot of countries will be included into this trade. Okay. All right, you're going to have
it's massive scale.
Massive scale.
Okay.
And right now, they're excluding right now, if you're doing your deep dive, the United States is not part of this global trade right now. Like, if you look into that BRICS nation, which is
why does the U.S. drag its feet on everything? I don't get it.
Well, it's not that they're dragging their feet on it. I can get deep, but it's
let's do it.
Yeah, they're leaving us out.
We got some time.
Yeah, we got
some time. Let's do it.
The BRICS nation, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see and make sure I get it right. BRICS nation. You got B, Brazil, right? R, Russia. With I, that's India. C, China, right? and then you got S, South America, right? BRICS nations. All right. So that powerhouse right now, they've actually built what they call the BRICS nations. All right. And they're working right now to build this Belton Road and do this free trade without the United States because they're tired of being bullied around by the dollar. Because if you understand, if people really understand how bloody the dollar is, right? The dollar itself, if you want gas in the world, right, you have to buy it with dollars, United States dollars. If I'm in China, guess what? If I have Chinese money, or I have to exchange that into the United States money to then go to Saudi Arabia to buy gold. I mean, to buy oil, to buy the gas and all that stuff, and oil and all that. Right, because we've monopolized the oil and gas trade right now. Okay. But this Belt and Road Initiative is now going to take over, and it's set for the next 47 years. And guess what? Vechain is part of that. So guess what I'm gonna be doing for the next 47 years?
Buying that Vechain.
Buying that Vechain, baby.
As you said.
I'm all over it. But once again, that's another gem. That's what we do here. We research. We give you the fundamentals. You didn't know about the Belt and Road Initiative until we told you. You didn't know it was about 47 years until we told you. Let's go.
Let's go, man.
Like I said, we're crypto teachers. We study and we teach our group. We teach the masses. That's what we're here for. All right?
And I mean, that's what it's about, man. Games. And just to hear that, you know, this massive countrywide bridge is being built on Vechain's blockchain is, I mean, that's incredible in itself. And so once you understand like the scale of how big this is going to be, and, you know, I get at the end of the day, I feel like right now, a good entry point for Vechain would be right now, if you haven't already entered into the Vechain market.
If you don't have no Vechain, it don't matter what price. If it's $1, buy it. Because it's going to be massive.
I mean, increases will be seen throughout the rest of the year. And, you know, we talk about Vet a lot here on the Maryland for Crypto show because there's a lot of gains to be made.
A lot of gains
in the Vechain community.
Because it's one of the utility coins. Because once again, we're not preaching pump and dumps. We're not teaching day trading. Nope. We're not teaching swing trading.
High risk.
No forex. What are we what do we call ourselves?
We are hodl helpers.
We're hodl helpers.
3 wise men.
The 3 wise men. We're gonna walk you across the street to these games.
We're gonna open up the gates. We're gonna let you in.
Right.
Come join us.
I'm gonna be like, oh, this hodler needs help walking across the street with her groceries.
Here's help, hodler.
Yeah. Let me hold your hand and walk you, Grandma. That's what we're doing. We're gonna walk you to these games, and guess what? We're gonna make sure you don't trip and fall, and retrace and be crying later. No, we're gonna make sure you get there because we want you to succeed. We want you to be great. We want you to open your business. We want you to pay off your bills. We want you to buy your new house, that new Ferrari that you want, that new Lambo, that Rolls Royce. We want your dreams to come true, and that's what we want. We want ours too. But guess what? As we're doing ours, we're helping you do yours. Just follow us. What do you say? Fuck with us, DJ. Fuck with us. What was the movie?
Let's do
it.
Like,
like, fuck with us, DJ.
And I mean, just to kind of, you know, give Vechain some more love at the end of the day, because I love me some Vechain, just like I love some Ether. But that's another story for another day. I'm in a lot of beds in crypto right now, so I got you know, I got this one.
It's easy to get sucked into a lot of different looks. It is. I like sleeping around.
Hey man, you shots fired. Right. But at the end of the day, Vechain has been teetering around, you know, 20 to 28 cents. Market cap at about 14.8 billion right now. 2.9 billion has settled in volume as of yesterday. And you know, Vechain, it challenges it lets businesses challenge what was generally unfeasible without its innovation. They are based abroad, and they're bringing cross-border shipments all over the world. They're bringing that connectivity, and that's why you gotta love the Vechain project. It's definitely one that you should definitely get in. No
Shout
question.
Out to Sunny Lou. We
Sunny
appreciate
Lou.
you.
Definitely. Just to keep it rolling,
you're making my pockets
you know,
swell.
dollar cost averaging, guys. One of the basic and most important fundamentals in crypto right now is dollar cost averages. Like we said, you buy in the red and you hold in the green. Hold in the green or sell in the green.
Yeah,
depends on what you want. Do you want to be fiat rich or do you want to be crypto wealthy? At the end of the day, I personally want to be crypto wealthy.
I'm Fiat broke.
I'm broke, baby.
Look, yeah, word to my man Money Mitch. I ain't got no bread. I'm broke, baby.
Ain't broke, baby.
For real.
Everybody
Fiat,
seeing you shine.
Fiat broke, dog. Don't talk to me about
Fiat is
nothing.
US dollars for our news that don't know.
Yeah,
right.
Fiat is US dollars.
Fiat, not the car.
Look,
This is real. We're talking finances.
Like I said,
Straight up,
Money.
I eat bologna sandwiches at night. That's I
Straight up, man.
ain't got no shape up. Look, now is just not the time, B. I get a shape up next year. You hear me?
Right.
Next year I get a shape up. But for
look.
now, I'm secure my position in this game. That's what I'm gonna do. I
As you
suggest y'all
should,
do it
as
too,
you
man.
should.
I finally
Stop
got mine.
going. Stop. Yeah.
Look
Shot,
at my
yeah.
guy.
I see you
Look at
shining. I
my
see
guy.
you
finally
With
got
the
mine
fresh
after
shape.
3 months, 4 months, because
Listen,
I was living broke.
Man, stop going on vacations, y'all. Secure a position. I don't care if you good. I don't care if you already got it. Listen, you can have it more.
Right.
Why not get more? I don't care what anybody says. They say money doesn't bring you happiness.
Shit.
It doesn't. Forget the happiness. It's not about being happy. It's about being free.
Right.
Financial freedom.
Financial
Yeah.
freedom, absolutely.
Financial
Do what you
freedom.
want.
Do what you want to do when you want to do it and how you want to do it. You don't gotta answer to no job. If you financially free, if you made $1 million off crypto, you don't care if your job told you gotta come today.
I own the job.
Right. Like,
Let me buy this wing.
Hey,
but
LJ,
listen, it's very reachable. It's 100% reachable.
Right.
You just have to have some discipline, and you got to have some tough skin, and you got to give up some of
Patience.
those things that you used to doing. Give it up for a little bit, just for a year or two. Like, I'm just saying, now is not the time,
marathon,
dog.
not a race.
Now is not the time.
Right.
My sister asked me the other day. She said, "Yeah, we're gonna rent the movie theaters out and watch Mortal Kombat." Dog, I think Mortal Kombat is dope.
Right.
How much do it cost? Well, it's $10 a people. Well, we got 16 people in our family, so $160 for the movie theaters. Nah, give me that $160.
Right.
Let's invest that $160, and guess what? I'm gonna pull my Fire Stick out, and we're gonna put it on the TV and invite everybody over. We're gonna watch the movie.
Right.
up, man.
Now is not the time.
At all.
It's just not the time.
Right.
All that
That's all
extra
I got.
money
I like
you want to
that
put in
right
the
there.
crypto
Wait,
space,
like,
man.
give me that 160.
Nah, look.
Come over to the house.
Look, that's all I gotta say. Now is not the time.
Hey, absolutely.
Start vacuuming,
And,
kids. People are coming over.
Right.
Just to keep it rolling, definitely, you want a dollar cost average. You don't want to FOMO into projects that have no utility. But one project you definitely need to get in is XRP. We always advocate for XRP here. And just to give y'all some news on XRP, there is a petition going around from all the XRP holders that's challenging Gary Gensler to end the SEC lawsuit.
Oh, yeah. I'm ready to sign it.
Over 14,000 people have already signed this petition.
Is that the joint on Twitter?
Yes, absolutely. It's on change.org.
Shit, I'm about to sign it too.
Yeah.
And,
Maryland
I mean,
for Crypto will be signing that.
We all advocate for XRP here on Maryland for Crypto. So you need to FOMO on the XRP just for this reason. Right. And I would never tell you to FOMO into anything. But think about this. Think about the scale. XRP right now, I would say about 2 weeks ago, it jumped from about 50 cents to about $1.80. Massive gains, more than over 100% of gains. And that is XRP is only available to the United States on one exchange right now.
Well,
Two exchanges. Okay. Yeah. So when
one fiat,
one
and
fiat,
then one crypto to crypto.
Absolutely. So when you got to think, once all of these exchanges relist XRP and the case is settled, and there's because I don't think the SEC has a case.
What? They
I
don't.
think it's all fluff. There's people that had certain interests.
Bunch of bunnies.
That a bunch of bunnies.
Fluff.
A bunch of
fluff.
fluff.
It's a window of opportunity for people to get into Dogecoin.
Absolutely. And it's, so it's, I just definitely feel like this case is going to be settled. And once XRP breaks out the gates, the sky's the limit.
Listen, what people don't understand, what you said last week, we're going to back sell the last episode.
Let's do it, as we should.
My man Sean over here, the voice.
It
he
is.
said last week, all right, this whole crypto market, all right, last week was about 2.2 trillion.
$2.2
Now
trillion.
we dropped, like I said, we 1.9. But once again, we are right now, the whole market itself, all right, is the size of Apple, the company.
Wow. One
All right,
company.
One company. That's
still
the
got
whole
Amazon.
market. You still, once again,
Google.
Yeah, keep dropping them.
Samsung.
Walmart.
Twitter.
You know what I mean? Target.
Walmart.
All these other companies, banks.
The
You still
world.
got, you know what I mean? I don't know. All
Bank of America.
Yeah,
M&T.
every company that's in the United States still has to go through this thing. So one Apple company, and then you got, think of your mom and
Tesla.
pop. Yeah, think of your mom and pop stores down the street. Marianne's and
7-Eleven.
You know what I mean? All these, they still have
Foot Locker.
Keep dropping them, Sean.
He's still going.
Finish line.
Yo, I hate these guys.
All these companies are gotta come in. Kohl's, right? Target. Yeah, when these companies come in,
Subway.
what do you think's gonna happen to the market? Boom,
McDonald's.
boom. When McDonald's come,
Burger King.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. But once again, they're all going to be using XRP, cross-border payments.
XRP.
Somebody said Sean is the man.
Yeah, he's dropping gems, right?
I take that. Shout out. That's what's up. I take that.
But what I'm saying though, when all these companies come in, where do you think this market is gonna go? We're at a $2 trillion market by the end of this year. I promise you, and I'm stamping it right here on the Maryland for Crypto show. I'm stamping it. The total market will be either over between 8 to 12 trillion dollar market. That's a $4 trillion swing. All right, I'm gonna give you that because once again, I think by the end of the year, going into November, this market is gonna hit things that we've never seen. Faces are gonna melt. We're all gonna be like,
because all of the world's money will eventually flow through the cryptocurrency space.
But by the end of this year, I promise you, this market will be over 8 to 12 trillion. And if you call me a liar, hey, I'll bet you. I'll put some money up. I'll put some crypto up.
Dress City said he's putting the crypto up. We're about to stamp this right here today on the Maryland for Crypto show.
If this market is not at
I like taking bets.
8 to 12 trillion dollar market.
Money Meat says he's a betting man.
You want to bet?
I don't want to make that bet.
Okay, but the whole thing is,
I said
Money
that
Meat
to
said
say,
he make good bets.
But I said that to say,
If y'all ain't catch it, you ain't catch it. So you need to keep up.
But the thing is, we want that market to be there because if guess what, we're millionaires if it gets. Nigga,
it's not too late, ladies and gentlemen.
It's never too late.
It is not too late.
Right now, any entry point is a good entry point.
Yeah.
Entry point. Get in.
Any entry
Don't worry
point,
about the ups and the downs.
right,
Just get in the game.
Come
man.
into the game and expect to lose. Come in expecting to lose. If you come in expecting to lose, you can't go wrong because you're going. You know, when if you do end up losing a few dollars, it's okay. You expected it. So when you see those gains, it's like I'm lit because I expected to lose.
Right.
That's how I came in.
There it is, man.
I came in expected to lose. I ain't turned back since. I'm all in.
As you should be. And that's how we do in the Maryland for Crypto show. We are all in. We go hard or we go home.
Yeah.
And we're just going to keep it rolling. We're going to take a quick commercial break. When we come back, we're going to give you guys some final takeaways.
Yeah.
Who got wrecked, things of that nature. Maryland for Crypto show. You already know what it is, man. It's your boy Sean Prince.
Quick
Money
break.
Meech in the building.
Yes, sir.
LJ Dress City. Let's
You
go.
already know.
Welcome back to the Maryland for Crypto show. It's your boy Sean Prince in the building. Episode 8, man. A lot of gems, a lot of knowledge, a lot of education, man. Every week, man, the consistency is here. So y'all gotta rock with us, man. Either get with us or get lost, man. And we gotta give a big up to. I'm gonna make sure I get a Melissa Vega win.
Yeah, nah, for real. She,
I gotta make sure I get her. I gotta get her right. I know she was mad. I'm sorry, Melissa. I'm sorry, Melissa.
National TV. I'm like, yo, this is live. This is live, not national TV. One day
we will be. But
man, she like Melissa. She's always on me about speaking positive things into existence.
Right. There it is.
Positive manifestation, right? And so I'm reading, like when we went on break, I'm reading her comments and I just said something saying expect to lose. I'm gonna correct myself. Come in the game expecting to win. We're gonna speak all positive thoughts, no negativity. Expect to win. No matter what. Come in the game expecting to win. Speak it into existence. Manifest, and we going to the top.
And good things will happen to you.
Shout out to you.
Yep. Shout out to Melissa, man. Always positive vibes. Melissa
real.
was
Great
our
vibes.
second guest
Great
that we
vibes.
had on the show. You know, she's got in a lot of, real estate. Yeah. She's got wineries on deck. She's a hustler, man. Yeah. And, we respect the queen. Yeah. Check out her.
And she's on the front line.
On the front line.
Yeah, she's a nurse too.
Nurse on the front lines. I see you, nurse.
Yep.
Man, listen. That's how we get down to the Maryland for Crypto show, man. We only network with people that are, making moves and doing positive things in the industry, and we're relating everything back to the currency that's going to change the world. The global reset is upon us, people. So definitely get involved. You got to get on it right now.
Definitely.
And that's what it is. Just some final thoughts and takeaways that I wanted to bestow upon all our listeners right now. So, all right. So we've been kind of serious, so I'm gonna lighten it up a little bit. You gotta love Hugh Hefner, rest in peace. Playboy is turning their centerfold picks into NFTs.
Oh, he trying to get that money all types
The stock
of ways.
is up 173% in 2 months.
I'm trying to own me one.
The company was almost dead a few years ago, but New Age Tech literally challenged the direction of a 70-year-old brand in 4 months.
Sex sells.
You can't afford not to adapt the technology. One concept can change everything.
Right. I'm trying to tell you, listen.
Playboy.
Sex sells.
It
don't
always
matter.
has and it always will.
For real.
You can go back to the caveman state. They still had that joint.
I was about to say.
Two boobs on that joint. Like, that was a lady here.
Sex is-
like, hey, sex is
NFTs, non-fungible tokens.
I'm gonna buy
guys.
one. Hey, I'm getting one. I want an original Playboy bunny that I said is mine on the blockchain. Like, oh yeah, I
Okay,
own her.
my guy LJ said he got NFT. NFTs be going for
want-
like 100 racks, 2 mil.
Hey, I'ma get that
My
drink.
guy LJ said he's getting an NFT. I gotta give him a
Hey,
round of
that's-
applause, man. I gotta
Hey,
give
when
my
the
guy LJ a
XRP,
round
hey,
of
when
applause.
XRP hit $10 by the end of the year, I'm gonna get me an NFT. Just know that. Playboy, I want me an original Playboy bunny.
I'm about to work on my own NFT.
Look, my
There
girl,
it is. Now
girl
my
gonna
guy's
be
my
mad.
double M.
Look.
Smart man.
My girl gonna be
You make
mad.
that NFT right
She
now.
be like,
Listen.
you keep looking at your NFT. I'm like, the way she keeps shaking it there.
I got a great
And
idea
my
too.
NFT, look,
But-
NFT gonna be like,
For those who know me personally, this NFT idea that I have, they will love it coming from me specifically, just
Okay.
because how it relates to me. So I think that, yeah, I'm gonna drop that on y'all later on though. I got y'all.
Okay.
Nah, for real.
you ready to drop
Okay,
some culture
money
curves.
man.
Hey,
There it is
look,
with the
culture
teaser.
curve.
I mean, you know, just
Product placement.
I'm just trying to work,
Teaser.
man. That's all.
That's what we do. We try to stay ahead of the culture curve.
I'm
You know
just-
what I
As
mean?
you should.
If
as
everybody
you
else
should.
making NFTs, why can't Money Meech make one?
Right.
Shoot.
Shoot.
I want
Maryland for crypto
I want a-
NFTs
I
are
want a
coming
gift.
soon.
There it is. The guy said he
feel
wants a
me? Yeah.
gift.
I want a digital gift.
Matter of fact, we are in the works
A
right now.
non-tangible token.
There it is.
We are in the works of making Maryland for Crypto NFTs, ladies and gentlemen. And when we do, guess what? Maryland for Crypto Group will be the first to get it, and then we'll drop it to y'all.
There it is. Wow, you heard it first, man.
Gotta give it to the
Patreon
group.
group?
Yeah, the Patreon group will get it first, and then we'll drop it to the group second, and then we'll give it to the public.
Hey man, listen, like I said, I'm gonna say it again. I said it before. If you do not have the capital right now to buy one Bitcoin, you need Maryland for Crypto's Patreon group. You need it.
You need us in your life.
You need us.
Man, look,
Just as much as we need you.
we can make it
It's
happen.
the circle of life.
Right.
We
So
can
come
make it
get
happen.
down. Let's get this money, man. Let's get this bread.
Yeah.
Let's keep it rolling. Just a couple final takeaways. Jeff Bezos and Amazon is pressured to approve the use of Dogecoin payments on Amazon on a global scale.
Right.
So
I seen that.
I think, I'm not a Dogecoin advocate at all in the least bit.
Right.
But I mean, the hype and the rally that it's had, I mean, it's impressive.
Right.
It's
I mean,
impressive.
I can't lie. Like, if you had money in Doge, you making money.
You made money, man.
I'm not mad at you. They're number 7 on the list.
Number 7.
And you know, they're moving. They were number 5 for a second.
Yeah.
They were right behind XRP. I was
I mean,
like,
major
what?
growth this year.
I almost
guys.
wanted me a little doggy.
Let me before I say whatever I'm about to say, I'm gonna start by saying that I did have a little doggy.
Okay. My
Because
God, me
once
said he had one.
again, I pay attention to trends.
Oh, yeah, trends
and
are your
if
friends.
even if it's something that I don't believe in, if
Right.
it's trendy, I don't mind taking a small portion of what I have and putting it into that trend. So that's what I did. I was successful with it. If I would have lost, I would have
what'd you do
been
with them
still
gains?
successful with it.
You do anything with them gains?
Absolutely.
What'd you do?
I took those gains and I bought different cryptos.
Okay. Whoa. that's what you're supposed to do. Once you
Took
it
those
is.
gains.
You don't put your life savings into a coin without a coin without utility.
And honestly, for a
But you
coin
take
like
those gains from that coin. I'm sorry, Sean.
No,
but
you good,
take
you good.
those gains and you put them into a coin with utility, which I'm
Why
pretty
not?
sure Money Meech did. He took a pump and dump.
that's why they call him Money Meech.
Yeah, grabbed that bag,
Double
and
A.
he dropped it on another bag
Real quick.
And once again, these
And
are
I plan
things.
on making a bundle off of that one.
Right.
As
And
you
once
should.
again,
As
where,
you should.
man, where'd you get that coin that you put that money on?
Where did I get it? Hold
where'd
up.
you get
Ask me the question again.
The after the pump and dump,
Right.
from the Doge,
Right.
And you said you put that money on a different coin.
What coin did I put it on?
No, not what coin. Where'd you get that information from?
where did I get the information from the coin I wanted to buy? I got it from the information that we put in the Patreon group. I got it from us. I got it from me and you.
Okay, well, that's all I wanted to say.
Oh, okay. I'm like, what?
Patreon.
I'm over here trying to figure out what he asking me. I'm like, what is he asking me?
No, because I wanted to
Sell it, man.
Right.
Sell it.
I'm like, dog.
No,
Yeah.
it wasn't even a sell.
I'm like,
Sell it.
He like, where'd you get it from? Myself?
Right.
Right. What are you talking about?
Once again,
but no, I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying.
Once again, we do the Patreon group, and once again, we put this stuff in the Patreon group. So that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
that's
definitely.
The information is there. Go find it, and that's where you know.
Definitely.
Make some good trades, and get some good analytics, some good fundamentals about the coins you want to invest in. We put it in there.
Absolutely.
And where to find them.
Right.
Because
Definitely where to find them.
Yeah, because we had this talk. I'm gonna say this for another episode too, but I'll just touch it real quick. A lot of these lower cap coins, they're not as simple to purchase.
Oh no.
As a Bitcoin is, or Ethereum, or
A lot of hoops and ladders you got to jump through.
Right. You gotta actually know some things about the space and know how to move within these exchanges in order to make these purchases. So, but once again, we'll have another episode or show, and we'll touch base on how to actually move from exchange to exchange and how to really get involved with these lower cap coins
step by step.
But at the end of the
it's
day,
all in our Patreon group right now. Don't get me wrong; it's there right now. However, it's one thing to read it, and then it's another thing to see it, and then we just want to make sure. I just want to make sure that nobody's losing money trying to make these low cap purchases.
Right.
I don't want you to lose your money. So just make sure you guys are doing research.
Fees are ridiculous out there.
Right.
And that's the big thing.
Don't
these exchange fees when you try to swap. You losing money every swap.
When you are buying a lower cap coin and you're swapping from exchange, don't go in with $20, $50. Thinking that you're going to make a $20, $50 purchase. No. By the time you make your purchase is going to be like, dang, I just bought $10 worth of crypto because you went through so many fees just to get there.
Right.
It's not simple.
But we got the back door for you.
We do. I just want you to know if it was that simple, everybody would already be doing it.
Absolutely.
So that's why we do have a service that we provide.
A great service.
Man.
That we provide for you.
And that's what it is,
in the
man.
Patreon. Maryland for crypto.
For sure. And on top of that, let's be very clear. Because I got
be clear.
More stuff keep coming to me as we keep rolling. I want to be very clear on this.
That clarity.
We are providing this service at prices that nobody else is doing.
Right.
Anybody and everybody else that you see doing this, giving out this type of financial information, they're all charging $200 a month, $100 a month, $150 a month, $250 a month,
$500 a month.
Dog, we're talking about $20.
Right.
$20 a month worth of information that can make you millions. If that doesn't blow your mind, and I promise you, you hearing it from me first here right now. Maryland for Crypto, my whole team. I don't care if they with it or not. These prices will not be the same for forever.
At all.
They will get bumped up 100%, and it will be happening soon. So jump on while you can.
Right. Because as we grow, they grow.
As we grow, our prices are going to grow. 100%.
We getting better every day.
100%. We learning more every day. We're getting better every day. More and more people are reaching out to us. Right. More and more people are reaching out to us.
More connections are being made.
We have to grow with our business that we created. Right. So therefore, get in now while it's cheap.
Right.
Because it will not be that forever. I promise you.
And I'm gonna let them know what the tier. We have 3 tiers. It's not crazy too. We have, $10 tier, $20 tier, and if you want to be on that VIP, you want some real personal, talking to, and really, we have a $50 tier. That's nothing. Y'all, people in our group is made $50 times 5 already.
Everybody, nobody in our group has a problem because we've made everybody more money than what they're paying. 100%.
Right.
Nobody has a problem.
Easy. $10. They made $10 last night from 12 midnight to 12:10. That was quick $10. So what I'm trying to say is, we're like, you can't find it better. We are the best around.
We
the
are.
best around.
The end of the day, man, we in the DMV, and that's how we trying to get down. So definitely, if you follow us, make sure you keep up with the Maryland for Crypto brand, the Maryland for Crypto vibe, because we are bringing you all the information that you need to know in the community, and that's how we're gonna do it,
And
man.
merch is coming soon.
Merch is on the way.
Yeah, that's another thing. Merch is coming soon.
On the way.
Yeah, keeping up with the community. Yeah, everybody's asking us about the hot hoodies. We got different colors. We got shirts. You feel me? We coming.
And for all our patrons that are that are watching right now that stuck with us to the end of the show, we're gonna do a free giveaway. So if you reach out to Maryland for Crypto, send us a message right now, send us a DM, and we'll definitely get you the first round of merch. We'll give it on the house. So whoever reaches out to us within the next hour, we're getting you first round of merch on the house. Maryland for Crypto. So that's how we're gonna do it, man.
Yep. If you're not in the group, go join the group. Definitely join. Send that email or like I said, the DM. And like I said, I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a lot. So what we'll do a raffle. We might even go live later. Do a live raffle. Pull from the names that we see. Once again, you gotta DM us. Just say, hey, I'm trying to get in the raffle. I'm about that crypto life.
Well, hey, got you. People, thank you for tuning in to the Maryland for Crypto show. I'm your boy Sean Prince. Money Meech in the building, Double M.
You already know.
Dread City,
all
LJ
day,
in the building. You already know how it is. If what you know is all you know, then that's all you know, man. So let's get ready. Let's get this money. Maryland for Crypto. That's how we do it.
Yes, sir.
Baka.
Stacked up to the ceiling, man. I don't brag or boast. I only tell you what I'm dealing in and how I'm feeling it. Your opposition is irrelevant. Witness a king.